Three partners A, B, and C invest rupees 1600, 1800, and 2300 respectively in a business. How should they divide a profit of rupees 399? Now, as nothing is mentioned about their time duration, the profit will be distributed in the ratio of their investment, which is 1600, 1800, and 2300. So the zeros get cancelled out. We get the ratio as 16 is to 18 is to 23. Now we want to find their individual profit share. So A's profit share will be 16 upon 16 plus 18 plus 23 multiplied by the total profit, that is 399. So we have here 16 upon 57 into 399. Therefore, on solving this, A's profit share comes out to be 112. Similarly, we can find out for B and C. So B's profit share will be 18 upon 57 into 399. Okay, so that comes out to be 126. And similarly for C, it will be 23 upon 57 into 399. So the answer comes out to be C is equal to 161. So these are the individual profit shares of A, B, and C. A is 112, B is 126, and C is 161.